Okay, guys are looking at the cool switch white turn signals on a Lexus is300. All right, I'm gonna turn on the lights. I'm gonna put it on. You can see it's on. Parking lights on. So you know how these cars don't have anything that turns on, right? But I put these LED ones on. They turn white. So yeah, I got these on eBay for 45 bucks a switch off. They're white, but when you turn, they turn yellow. I'm going to show you how. Now you can see it's turning yellow. See, this one doesn't even turn on because I don't know why Alex is like that. Okay, I'll be using this one. All right, just hook it up already. You see it blinking, right? So unconnect this one right here because it turns on when parked on or lights on or auto. So just pull out, use a meter. I don't know if you can see that meter. Yeah, at 0, then you connect which wire is what. If you can get any power. So you get a negative number, so the power is the green wire. I'll be using a post-op style connector. Really easy to use. Just grab your green wire. Like that. Then you twist on the top part. Like so. Then you see this black wire right here from the LED. Then you take this part off. Then you slide the wire in here. Then twist this one on. Alright, I'm going to take out the turn signal off. Now it turns out all white just when you have your parking lights on. Then you can reconnect this one back here, like so. Like that. Then slide this one back in here. So yeah, that's how it is with the white LED, but turns to yellow or yellow orange. So you turn yellow and orange. I'll be putting some resistors on, but I gotta buy more of these, so I'll show you how you do it because they probably flicker faster than they have to right now. So let me turn off those headlights lights on. I I just put one on for right now, so you can see the difference. You can buy 4 balls or just get the 2 to make look kind of cool. And now it stays white. So basically, you take out this wire, this connector from this parking light on with a green. If you don't want to do all that testing, it's the same one over here for the Lexus. Just need to find a wire that is always on. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll help you to hook up your resistor on the new wires. Alright, thank you for watching, and stay tuned.